Hello everyone, today is April 16, 2024. Magkakaroon kami ng Lenten pilgrimage with the men in uniform from 51st Engineering Brigade, Camp Atienza, with the civilian group interested to join. Now we are here, assembly time is 7 o'clock. Nag-start po kami na mag-travel 8 a.m. Then, ang unang church na pinuntahan namin ay ang Santo Niño Church. And second church is Santa Clara Church. And the third church is the Immaculate Conception Church. And fourth is the Santa Marta Pateros sa San Roque. And the fifth is the Saint Michael, kung saan nandun ito sa Fort Bonifacio. And number 6 is Christ the King Church. And the number 7 is Saint Ignatius Cathedral. Ito ay isang taon-taon na Lenten pilgrimage na ginaganap tuwing Wednesday, Holy Wednesday. Habang nasa travel kami ay we are reciting the Holy Rosary. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Happy long weekend and God bless us all.
Kanya-kanya. Tapos senior grade. Kay